I'm Mike Lemire. I'm the Information Security Officer at Yesware. Yesware is a platform that enables salespeople to be more successful. It's a leading vendor in our space. My goal and Yesware's goal is to be the most secure, compliant, and trusted vendor in the space that we operate. At Yesware, we have Mac laptops, we have Windows laptops, we also have a small but growing AWS infrastructure. In addition to that, we have a bunch of SaaS platforms, some 40 or 50 in use around the company. So my challenge initially was, how do I manage all of that? You know, the funny thing is, there really was not a lot of solutions out there. We looked at Azure. We're a mixed platform shop, and everyone knows Microsoft loves to work with Microsoft products. We had about 80% Mac laptops in use. So I really needed a way to manage our Macs as well as our Windows infrastructure. Okta is well known, I think, for the single sign-on SAML platform. However, my look at Okta, I did not see capabilities that were very important to us, which were the ability to manage our machines and our controls around our users' laptops and workstations. When I came across JumpCloud, a light went off above my head. I said, wow, this is a great idea. Why isn't anyone else doing this? I did not see a lot of competition for what JumpCloud is doing currently. We are a Google Apps shop, and that was pretty much our main user repository when I joined. And we leveraged JumpCloud to be the authoritative source of users for Google Apps. Google Apps is great as a directory. However, it misses a lot. So it misses the ability to connect that user to their machine or their workstation. It misses the ability to extend that to all the SaaS platforms that we're using. So our initial deployment of JumpCloud, in fact, was a import of our users from Google. We established JumpCloud as our system of record, as our authority for identity. And then going forward, we add a user to JumpCloud, and they're automatically provisioned to Google, to their own machine, and to other SaaS platforms as well. By implementing JumpCloud, I was able to implement very important controls across all of our laptops and all of our workstations, from ensuring our firewall was enabled, to ensuring security updates were run every day, to ensuring the users were using complex passwords that were changed, to ensuring that encryption was enabled. This was so important for us from a security perspective. Really, JumpCloud enabled us to do these things across both Mac and Windows relatively easily and painlessly. I'm so thrilled that JumpCloud finally gave us the ability to manage Mac laptops from a security and compliance perspective, and to do it easily. I could be more thrilled about that. We have 2 offices, one in Boston, one in San Francisco, but we also have a number of remote employees. Whether you're in the office or you're working remotely in China, the effect, using JumpCloud is exactly the same, and that's really beautiful. So I can establish a control of a user's account on their laptops and those requirements that we have, whether the user is remote or whether they're sitting in our office. So we've seen so many things are moving to the cloud. Why is that? It's because it's more cost efficient for companies to, rather than running their own infrastructure, rather than running their own servers and software, to leverage a vendor to do it for them. Yesware is not in the business of running directory service, and we don't want to focus our attention on that. We don't want to hire people to focus on that if we don't have to. JumpCloud has been so awesome to work with. The support team is amazing. The responsiveness to our queries and help tickets is just unbelievably fast. We also have the ear of our product team. If we have ideas that we have for JumpCloud, they listen to us and consider them for their roadmap. I think JumpCloud's onto something really big, and I think that they listen to their customers and what their customers are looking to and what their customer requirements are.